Hello everyone, this is Vivek Ghewari and I represent ViscoTec Group for the Indian market. ViscoTec is a German manufacturer of highly precise and accurate fluid dispensing equipment. Along with our speakers, Mr. Pratap Kadam and Mr. Avinash Bhargande, I am very pleased to invite you and your team at our Tech Day event on 27th November 2025 at TOX Pressotechnik, Bommasandra Industrial Area, Bengaluru. We look forward to your valuable participation. Thank you.
Hello everyone. In today's challenging electronics sector, the increasing complexity of product design has significantly driven the demand of highly accurate and precise liquid dispensing equipment to ensure superior quality standards. Application areas such as 1K, 2K micro dispensing, encapsulation, dam and fill, magnet bonding have led to the adoption of modern dispensing technologies. At ViscoTec, our team is committed to engineering and manufacturing highly precise, accurate and customized fluid dispensing solutions. We are pleased to invite you and your team to our Tech Day event on 27th November 2025 at TOX Pressotechnik, Bommasandra Industrial Area, Bengaluru. At this event, we will share our expertise and highlight the advantage of using state-of-art process cavity pump technology in fluid dispensing applications. You will also witness the live dispensing systems in action in collaboration with our partners TOX Pressotechnik, a renowned automation supplier, and Bostik India, a global leader in adhesive and sealant solutions, all under one roof. We look forward to your presence and engaging fruitful discussions.
Hello everyone. The modern automobile is rapidly evolving, driven by growing demands for enhanced performance, safety, and comfort. As a result, the electronic content in these vehicles have increased significantly. Advanced features such as collision avoidance system, digital display, power windows, camera modules, smart sensors have become standard in the modern vehicles. The global and domestic shift towards electrification, smart mobility demands that these components should be manufactured with higher precision and reliability. Thus, automated fluid dispensing have become essential part of the production processes. At ViscoTec, our team is committed to engineering and manufacturing higher precision, accurate and customizable fluid dispensing solution. We are pleased to invite you and your team to our Tech Day event on 27 November 2025 at TOX Pressotechnik, Bommasandra Industrial Area, Bengaluru. At this event, we will share our expertise, highlight our advantages using state-of-art progressive cavity pump technology. You will also witness live dispensing in collaboration with our partners TOX Pressotechnik, renowned automation builder, Bostik India, a global leader in sealant and adhesive solution, all under one roof. We look forward to your presence and engage in fruitful discussion. Thank you.